Today I'm going to be answering the question, can a VPN really hide your location? And there's going to be an experiment for you to try that will get you thinking. Maybe you'll take some of my advice. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and here's the lowdown. A VPN cannot actually hide your location from applications for a great many reasons that are quite important, making the claims of VPNs being able to hide your location both invalid and valid at the same time. It actually requires a lot more work from your part to begin with. Focusing on the desktop and the laptop arena, we're going to be actually looking at the fact that you told it so. You told it exactly where it is. Be honest. If you actually use some sort of application that requires some sort of monthly subscription from Microsoft, it's got your information in Windows, down to your address. Now, let's say a lot of you are smart. And a lot of you are smart. You're told you have to use a VPN to stay safe on the internet. There are a few things that I don't agree with, but staying safe on the internet, okay, fine. Using a VPN, in theory, should prevent you from being tracked on the internet. Windows and other operating systems have tracking services in them. Even if you disable those, thing is your operating system still has access to your IP address. Your IP address can be used to figure out where you are on a planet with a scary amount of precision. And that is still a location-based service, meaning that even with a VPN, your computer still knows where it is. Sorry. For some laptops, tablets, and every single mobile phone, because laws, and actually they're actually right, you have onboard GPS hardware. Location services are used for, GPS navigation, emergency services, and of course identification. Using this module inside of your phone, applications can query it to figure out where you are in real time. So a VPN in this case wouldn't be able to hide your location, especially since that would require that the VPN be able to modify location information on an encrypted channel, because most app stores require that the connection between the app and the server actually be encrypted. So it wouldn't be able to modify any of the information whatsoever. And the thing is that itself is very easy to prevent if you actually look at what you're doing when you first install the application. Most people just click OK to everything, and they allow applications to have rights that it shouldn't. I'm going to give you a scary one. So somebody you don't really know out there asks to have a picture of you. You take a picture of yourself and you send it to them. Well, if you're the type of person that just allows the location to be accessed to everything, taking a picture with the camera app with location services activated embeds the GPS coordinates of where you took that picture from inside of the picture, and you send it to somebody who can use that and actually figure out where you were. That's kind of scary if you take the picture at home or at work. Maybe that'll actually get you to think twice about taking a picture. So here is the experiment. Obviously, because there's a bunch of you that are going to go to tqaweekly.com/SE9EP21 and notice there are no sources to this episode. Go and use your mobile device of your choice. Any device that you want, it doesn't really matter. Install a VPN application of your choice. It really doesn't matter because it has to be provable no matter what it is. I use TunnelBear and I tunneled to Sweden, and I'm just south of Montreal. So what ended up happening is that when I installed the VPN and set it up to Sweden and then looked on to find my iPhone in iCloud, the phone told me that it was just south of Montreal where I live. And this is because location services were active and it is plenty capable of figuring out where it is. And this is because the phone's not stupid. It has its own GPS module and access to my account information, as well as access to the actual real IP address. So here are a few things that you can do to actually make yourself hidden on the internet while using a VPN. 1, disable location services for all applications where it doesn't make any sense. So the convenience store, the coffee shop, and everything else. I mean, leave emergency services, find your phone, or of course your GPS navigation on, but everything else doesn't really need your actual location whatsoever. Also, Installing the application in the computer doesn't actually make that computer safe for VPN at all. Make sure that you set up the information inside of the router. That way you're actually hidden. The computer doesn't have access to the real IP address whatsoever, and all traffic is therefore protected simultaneously, all at the same time. Because from the bottom of my heart, I actually do really want you to be able to hide your own location. Just make sure that the location services on everything is disabled where needed. Of course. And always keep in mind that as long as there's account information with your address, they will always know where you are. So you would have to use a browser with no account information attached to it. So you might want to avoid some that require you to log in. So, like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think could benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can use the search engine to search for other topics based on VPNs or anything else that you are interested. Look at the show notes of this episode and others. Register to the website to be able to access things such as the episodes 2 days in advance of everyone else, ad-free, of course. And of course, use the contact form to contact me directly. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.